Hello, my name is Lucila Esther Barrio Orozco, student of Corporation Curiben Secano, fourth semester. She is my best friend, Emilse Orozco Niño. She is 28 years old. She is tall, is beautiful, is brown age, and loves child hair. She likes to sing and dance. Enjoy with the family. Choose and not like to study or speaking in public. Emil is a humble person and too romantic. As a child, she was very shy. She didn't socially much with people, but she had no problem dancing. It was also very difficult for her as a children uh, to ride a bicycle, but she age 23, she learned uh, to do in on the bicycle. Neither did she know her coco was closed, so he finished studying because he lived in Venezuela for few months in older in Colombia. Since she was a child, she liked to play tennis, but she couldn't. But para esa noche, she began to practice in her favorite hobby. His favorite food is rice with chicken to salmon. He loves the color black and red to yellow. Thank you. Bye bye.